Vanakkam and welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the comments and subscribing to my channel. Many of you have asked me how I'm recording and what tools I've used for recording the videos. The tools that I record for the videos I have mentioned in the description section, and for recording purpose I don't take any help. I do all on my own. Sometimes my son acts as a cameraman. Today I have used the butter I bought from the shop. In the next video I will definitely show you how to make butter at home from scratch.
Today I have taken 250 grams of butter. You can use a saucepan or a flat pan to prepare this. Allow it to boil and keep stirring now and then. Have it on medium flame. At one point of time you will hear a crackling noise. Once the crackling noise starts to reduce, you will get a nice aroma of the ghee. When stirring, do not touch the base of the saucepan. Now you can see that the crackling noise will slowly start to reduce and the bubbles will start to come up. We'll allow them to boil until you see the golden brown texture on the ghee. We'll remove from the flame. Now we are going to add quarter teaspoon rock salt, 6 to 8 curry leaf for the drumstick leaf. This will give you a nice aroma. Allow it to cool to room temperature.
Here I didn't get any drumstick leaves at the moment. If you get drumstick leaves, go for drumstick leaves. Salt together with the drumstick leaf and the crispiness when the hot ghee gives you a very nice taste. So crispy and to eat. Don't throw it away. You have to eat it. It's so healthy and it is so nice.
After cooling it down, I'm using a stainless steel strainer to strain the ghee and store it in a clean container.
Try this recipe at home. See you in the next video. Bye. If you don't get curry leaf, do not waste the drumstick.